how to create a website for your Airbnb. Hello and welcome to our channel. On this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a website for your Airbnb. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And in creating a website, we're going to use this platform called Wix. And to create an account on Wix, you could also use my affiliate link below the description or earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is Wix, it is a popular website builder that allows users to create and publish websites easily, in which it offers a wide range of templates to choose from, which can be customized to match the user's preferences and branding. And the platform also provides two main types of forms such as site forms and standalone forms. In addition, Wix Forms offers a range of customization options allowing users to design their forms to captive visitors with eye-catching designs and functionality. And now to start creating an account on Wix, just click the link in the description or click the Get Started button on the top right corner, in which upon clicking on it, you will automatically be directed on this page. And to sign up, just fill out all of this required information, or you can continue using your Google account or Facebook account in here. And after signing up, you will be directed on this page, and to start creating a new site, just click this button, Create New Site, on the top right corner. Then you will be directed in here, in which it will show you that you could also start using AI or setup without chat. By clicking the setup without chat, you will now be directed on this page, in which the next thing that you need to do is to simply enter here what type of website do you want to create. And since we're creating an Airbnb, I'm going to enter here Airbnb. And below, just click this BNB option. Then click the continue button to proceed. And upon clicking on it, you will now be able to see here that your dashboard is now currently preparing. So all you need to do is to wait for it to load. Then you will be directed in here, in which it will show you on this pop-up window that you need to enter here the name of your site. For instance, I'm going to enter here Mark BNB. Then after that, just click the continue button. And now the next thing that you need to do is to choose the Wix apps. We have here Wix Hotels, Events, Forms, Instagram feed. And if you scroll down below here, it will show you the other thing, which is online store, bookings, blog, portfolio, and many more. But in those options, I'm going to choose these bookings. And after selecting all of this application, you can now proceed by clicking the continue button to proceed. Then click the continue to dashboard to go to your dashboard. Now in this dashboard, it will show you that under this setup process, you could also start connecting your custom domain in here. And you could also add your first room type, set up the payment methods, design your website, and also get found on Google. But before we start navigating to design our website, we could also proceed navigating some of the options on the left side panel, such as these hotels. And from here, just click to complete setup a Wix hotel, just click the Start Now button in here, which is to maximize the revenue by connecting leading online booking channels. And you could also run your business smoothly with real-time inventory updates. But as you can see, there's currently an error, but you could also navigate here under these hotels, your property setup, the property settings, room types that you could also start customizing, the rate plans. However, at this point, it is currently blank. But if you navigate in your own this hotel section, you will be able to see here that you can start changing or customizing some of the details. Moving on the left side panel, you could also navigate this Getting Paid option. By clicking on it, you will be able to be directed on this page, in which it will show you that you could also start connecting your payment method that you prefer. By clicking this button, it will show you that you can connect your PayPal or manual payments. But for other options, you can click the See More Payment Options button. Then it will show in here some of the payment methods that you can choose from. We have here HitPay, DragonPay, and any other kind of payment methods in here to choose from. So you can simply connect or link your account in here to proceed. And after that, moving on, we can now proceed by customizing our website. And to do that, just go to the setup section. And from here, just simply click this design site button on the top right corner. In which upon clicking on it, you will automatically be directed in here, in which you have two options, such as to generate a design with AI or to customize using a template. And I'm going to choose to pick a template. And upon clicking on it, from here, it will show you some of the template that you can choose from. We have here a variety of options to choose. But in those options, I'm going to choose this one. And to start customizing this, just click this Edit button to proceed. Then we will be directed in here, in which it will show us on this pop-up window that we could also using AI to generate site text. All you need to do is to simply add here some details about your site or to describe your website in here. But by closing this window, you could also start customizing manually using the editing tools that you can find on the left side panel. And some of those editing tools including to add elements, add section, pages and menu, site design, add apps, my business, media, and CMS. And now from here, to start customizing this one, as you can see, we can just simply click to any of this part, such as for example, we're going to zoom out our website in here. And by clicking to any part, just click this quick edit button, in which upon clicking on it, it will show in here on the right side panel that you can start navigating the content and the layout section. Such as from here, as you can see, you could also start changing the section background, the title, and even delete some of the title in here. And aside from context, you could also navigate here below to change the media files in our website template, for example this one, and it will show you on the right side panel that we can change this is strip background, in which we have here a variety of selection of backgrounds given. Or alternatively, you could also upload from your computer files if you want to. And now for the title, let's say I'm going to change this context instead of dine and unwind. I'm going to enter here or change into relax and unwind. Then you will now be able to see here that a change has now been added. You could also change the button, the strip background again, in other contexts in different kind of pages and section in here. And you could also navigate on the left side panel, such as to add elements. You can add here a text, image, button, strip, decorative, contact form, social, payment section, and any other elements that will help you in creating your own Airbnb website. As you can see on this add section, you can add here a welcome section about gallery, bookings, events, and many more. While by clicking the site, pages, and menu, it will show in here that you could also arrange the site menu such as this home, event, eat, drink, about, contact, and many more. So basically, it is important to customize this website template since it will help you to increase visibility, in which it is achieved through a personalized website that can be optimized for search engines. And by tailoring content and design, hosts can improve their chances of being discovered by potential guests in crowded marketplace where millions of listings compete for attention. And now if you're now satisfied customizing your Airbnb website, we can now proceed by saving this one or publishing this by clicking this publish button on the top right corner. And upon clicking on it, it will show you in here on this pop-up window your website link, and by clicking this view site, it will automatically be directed you in your next tab, in which it will show in here what it looks like. So this is basically what the customer will see if they try to visit our website. And it is important to customize since customized websites enhance the guest experience by providing comprehensive information about the property, including detailed descriptions, high-quality images, and insights about local attractions. So basically, customizing templates for an Airbnb hotel website is essential for improving visibility, enhancing guest experiences, establishing a strong brand identity, and enabling effective marketing strategies. So that is just basically how you can create a website for your Airbnb. Thank you.